Hi, my name is Avery and welcome to my channel, Getting to the Point with Avery. Today we are going to be observing, dissecting, and identifying parts of a crayfish. Also known as crawfish, its kingdom is Animalia, its phylum is Arthropod, and its class is crustacean. It's an arthropod because of its exoskeleton, segmented and jointed bodies, and it's a crustacean. And crustaceans are mainly aquatic. So, we are going to identify all of its parts. So right here, these are the pinchers, sort of gripper sort of things. And that's actually what their names. So go to, I'm gonna eat you. Oh, it isn't. It's cooked. Then we have walking legs. Here's one. Hello. Wave to the camera. Now what we are going to do, there are also the swimmers. So ours we believe is female because it does not have swimmers on its legs. And females use these swimmers to attach their eggs to. Then we have the abdomen, which is this region right here on the tail.
Can you turn it over?
The swimmers are also on the abdomen, and that's how the tail looks. The uropod is the fan-like thing on the tail. And they use that for swimming. Then we have the antenna, which sadly broke off. And they'll have these buried in the ground going like this, looking for like food.
What else are they used for?
They're also used to spot danger from a far distance away. Now I'm going to describe how all these feel to you. So what does it look like? It looks like a mini lobster. And then what does it feel like? It's got a hard shell. Its pinchers are prickly like a toothpick. Then its tail is very firm and thick. It's this is sort of like hair.
Oh, let's see that. And that's how it breathes, right?
Yep, it's very hairy. Its eyes are squishy like blueberries.
Yeah, let's see those.
And they can expand and retract to look for danger. And it can go like doo.
They come out, you mean?
Yeah, like
Like a telescope?
yeah, or like you know how slugs, like when they're afraid to go. That's what they do.
Oh, so they can like go out
Yep.
and look around and then go back in?
Uh-huh.
Ew.
No, I think it's cool. And it swims backwards. The videos that I've watched, it looks like they're jumping backwards, but they're really swimming. And we'll leave a link to a video like that in the description below. Then, ours do not have eggs. Some do, but ours do not. Although it does have some residue from that glue-like substance that they squirt onto their swimmers. So now we should move on to the dissection. So we've sanitized everything. And we also have spare alcohol wipes. Now I noticed a crack in the exoskeleton right here. So I'm just gonna crack through that. And if you're wondering why I'm not wearing gloves, is that I can feel and describe all this stuff to you. Although you're like, why are you wearing eye protection then? Well, I've got an allergy to most crawfish, lobster, and stuff like that. Now.
And you've accidentally itched your eye before, haven't you?
And
What
it swelled
happened?
up for 2 days.
Yeah.
Now.
We have our little Norwex cloth here, though, for you to wash your hands.
Come on.
What do people do with these?
They'll eat them. Some people actually keep them as pets.
Interesting. I've eaten them before. They're delicious, but they look disgusting.
Now, just gonna break this off.
She ripped off his legs.
Well, we're breaking this this off like we would a crab.
That's true. Not as much meat in those legs, though, huh?
Have a very similar leg structure I've been finding to these guys.
So when you get this broken up, what are you going to show us underneath there?
Most of the internal organs.
Okay. And how do they breathe?
They breathe through small gills in the bottoms of their feet.
And those look like hair to us on the outside, right?
Yep.
But we can't see their breathing until we get into the center because of the shell. Oh, you've lost an eyeball.
Yep. Sorry, little guy.
Ew.
Now, I'm going to first wipe my hands off and go in with my knife. Hopefully I can just slice them in half. I don't know.
You don't know until you try it. Doesn't smell good.
It smells better than the owl pellets do, is my belief. Okay, we've capsized our head. Okay, that's the brain.
Okay, hold it still. Maybe put it on the white so I can see it.
What's left of it? Looks like poop.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm just
for that.
I'm just stating the obvious.
Right.
Now the insides, I believe these are the lungs.
Okay, let's see.
They're orange and very gooey, like baby food.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not the one with the stuff all over your hands. Then, yeah, you can definitely tell the lungs extend pretty far back.
Where at?
It's that orange. You can see it pretty well.
Oh, yeah.
Now, we are going to try to cut open this guy. I'm going to wipe my hands off again. Get under that armor-like, stuff. You are just decked out.
Wonder if this part looks like a lobster.
Probably
Can
will.
you bend it backwards like we do when we eat lobster?
Oh, sorry, I broke fans off.
Where is it? There we go. There's little hairs on those too, you can see.
Yeah, there's no way I'm bending this backwards.
We know that's really strong, right? Because that's what they use to swim.
Yeah, it's like... Okay, finally.
Got it?
Looks like lobster meat on the inside.
Let's see. You gonna cook this up tonight and eat it?
It's already cooked, but no. It's got mushed brain on it already.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And it's meat. Looks just like a lobster. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.